Mahina ba tumuka o kumain ang inyong mga alagang manok? Palaging nasa gilid at nahirapan maghinga. Huwag itong isa walang bahala. Baka ang inyong mga alaga ay may sabaga. Bigyan sila ng CPU Lemongrass Water Soluble Premix. Ito gawa mula sa katas ng salay o tanglad. Segurado kang natural at hindi nakakalason. Proven and tested dito sa Philippine Native Chicken na pinababalik ang gana ng manok sa pagkain at mabisang pantambal para sa infeksyon na nagdudulot ng common respiratory diseases. Ano pa ang hinihintay mo? Order na!
Magandang araw mga ka-native. Ngayong araw, dugtungan naman natin ang makwentuhan natin dito sa The Philippine Native Chicken, sa ating live stream program. Again, this is your host, Dr. Jaime C. Cabeles Jr. Namabati po sa inyo sa ating mga netizen dyan. Sa banda kayo ng Pilipinas na patuloy pa rin tumatangkilik po sa Philippine Native Chicken. Thank you for the trust and confidence. In behalf of our President, Dr. Teodoro Robles ng Central Philippine University po, kami po ay bumabati po sa inyo at saka extending our grateful appreciation po sa ating mga OFW na patuloy pa rin, walang sawang nakikinig at tumatangkilik po sa ating programa. Thank you for being with us. To our international subscriber, thank you also for being with us, and hope that the information that we are sharing in this live stream program can be of help to you. Even though of the language differences, I know that given the advent right now in terms of the artificial intelligence, you can have it be directly translated from text to from speech to text, and then have it be translated in your own language. And hope that if you found this program informative, please share and subscribe or follow our page, including our YouTube channel, so that every time that we have some updates, you will be automatically notified by our social media platform. Sa ngayong gabi po, tugtungan naman natin yung mga kwentuhan natin based on the comment and messages that you have sent to the Philippine Native Chicken. Sa ating mga kaibigan dyan, if you have some comments, pakisulat dito sa ilalim, on the comment section, para at least sa next episode natin, we can have it be discussed, para at least mabigyan po tayo ng kaliwanagan in terms of the technology. Yan kasi ang pinagkaiba ng Native Chicken because of the resort of the facilities that we have on research. We can do more advancement on the field of the Philippine Native Chicken industry. That is why that the inputs that you will be needing or kailangan po ninyo, nandito yan sa Philippine Native Chicken. Dugtungan natin yung kwentuhan natin pala, because na isa sa mga malimit na tanong palagi is that na, Dok, pwede bang ang project natin pwede maglagay sa tabi ng bayan at saka hindi naman masyado malayo para at least mabantayan yung project, and preferably pwede bang gawin natin pang-retirement project or somewhat like, gaya na narinig ko, sabi daw, when they retire, but not tired, they will be going to the farm and till the land. Pwede bang gawin natin mas kaya-aya po? Now, looking on what you call the possibility na kung saan po pwede bang sa tabing bahay, kahit na konting lote, but we could do more, and then can we have it na kung saan po magiging more engaging at saka po hindi maging nuisance sa mga katabi. But happen nyo, now we'll be opening the training program dito sa Philippine Native Chicken na kung saan po we can accommodate few person na kung saan po directly in our research station. Dito mismo sa production area po namin, para at least iba kasi ang kwentuhan pag magharap po tayo. But to those who will be on the online stream, don't worry, we'll be opening the certificate program on Philippine Native Chicken. That is on the online platform, but we'll be opening also experiential learning. Now, that is the product of what we have observed, and previously done on the various webinar po. This is one way on how we can help to boost the native chicken industry in the Philippines. So ngayong araw po, we'll be discussing naman ng nuisance. Ito kasi palagi malaking balakid. Bakit na yung mga manukan po inilagay po sa malayong lugar? Sa punto na iniwan sa mga tauhan, inaasa na lang sa tauhan, at the end, lugi po kayo. Lucky are those being a farm caretaker na kung saan po maasahan. But to those na medyo nahirapan po, ang project po ng Philippine Native Chicken, actually, when we started that way back in 2011, yung kung bakit nilagay po namin yan sa may Leon Farm, kasi medyo may kalayuan ng konti sa mga pabahay, and to record or to do studies on how we can possibly reduce the odor or possibly maiwasan yung langaw. So yung kung bakit that we have done it from 2011 when we started this project, and then 2012 hanggang 2019, and it is during the COVID na kung saan po we have full blast the operation dito pa mismo sa loob ng campus ng Central Philippine University. Sa hindi pa nakapunta dito, you can visit us here at Central Philippine University. Tanong lang po kayo sa guard, sabihin nyo saan ba dito yung longga ni Doc James. Hindi kaya sabihin nyo saan yung manukan, para at least the guard can guide you kung saan po kami makikita dito mismo sa loob ng Central Philippine University. Alam nyo kasing paligid dito, puno ng building, at saka yung katabi namin po is mga pamamahay po. That is why that when we started in Leon, nagiging concern kasi yan is the langaw and the amoy. Now we'll be focusing more on, kasi pag walang amoy, walang langaw. Okay? Bakit nangangamoy? It is because of the composition process. Yung kung bakit that at Philippine Native Chicken, now with the years or the decade of studies that we have conducted, perfecto namin yung patoka. Bakit? Kasi yung amoy kasi ng mga dumi ng hayop ninyo sa patoka o pakain yan, na pag hindi na matotally digest ng hayop po ang patoka o kinakain niya, some of the excreta, sa excreta mismo pala ng hayop po ninyo, nandoon yung mga sustansya na yan. Kung nandoon yung mga sustansya na yan at hindi yan totally digest, ibig sabihin po, it will undergo the process of decomposition. Pag nag-undergo ng process of decomposition yan kung bakit na umaamoy. On the process of decomposition, dalawa kasi yan. We have what they call the fermentation and the putrefaction. Yung ginagamit nyo na mga lactobacilli serum na halos na ginagamit nyo pang spray. Now, that is one way on how you introduce what they call the fermentation process. Na kung saan po tubig plus solids and carbon dioxide produced niya. However, if the digestibility of your feeds na mataas po, yung amoy po halos kontrolado yan. Pero may isang sekreto pa yan, na alam nyo, you keep on using antibiotics. Alam nyo kung ano nangyari? Using those drugs, the microflora that help in the digestion in the small intestine of your chicken, namamatay po yan. Now what happened? Digestibility is fully dependent on enzymes. Hindi lahat ma-digest, unlike na kung merong organismo na tumutulong dyan. Yung kung bakit ba pwede bang bawas-bawasan nyo ang paggamit ng antibiotics, and beside formulation of the feed itself. Alam nyo kasi, ang gusto nyo kasi, mabilis lumaki ang hayop to the point that the nutrient being given is on the super optimal level na hindi na kaya ng manok i-absorb lahat, to the point that you are wasting your money na on those undigested feeds. Pag hindi yan kasi matotally digest and then it will be excreted as manure. As it decomposes, ang magiging problema natin, nangangamoy yan. And then, ang amoy na yan po ay siya ang halos naging serve as an agent whereby no housefly will infest it. So, yung kung bakit nasabi namin is that na to make the processes short, baka sabihin nyo na yung CPU pitch kanya dito, ay nako po. Formulation per se. Given experiences that we have then, yung kung bakit that we integrated microorganism on it. Para at least, kahit paano po, once it enter the gut or intestine of your chicken, it can help to facilitate the higher digestibility. Para at least mas magaan, di ba? And the point is that with the help also of some phytobiotics, instead of using what they call the antibiotics, we are using what they call the plant extracts. Ang mga plant extracts na po to is also responsible to mitigate the possible odor that excreta will be producing. Yan ang kagandahan ng CPU feeds. Hindi lang siya per se na sabihin natin, yung sa CPU feeds that is business lang. Hindi. We develop it na kung saan po it will matches with the quality of meat demanded by the market in the need of the raiser in raising your native chicken. Yung kung bakit sabi natin is that we keep on complaining na mahal yung patoka. Wala po tayong choice. It is because that even the raw materials is keep on increasing. And that is why that we are introducing what we call the CPU-based mixed feeds, na kung saan sabihin natin na you can use only 30 kilograms of that base mixed feeds and add it with 70 kilograms of corn. And then, hula, you produce the CPU feeds. That's how we develop it. Alam nyo kasi pag mag-sourcing ka, hindi mahirap mag-formulate ng patoka. Ang problema po ninyo, what will happen to the chicken pag natuka? And ang isa sa pinakamahal na bahagi po niyan is yung mag-source out ng material. And how we can help you? And that is through what they call the base mix. Yung kung bakit na sa mga lugar dyan ay medyo malayo ng konti. At saka gusto po nyo ang CPU feeds, what we can offer to you is the CPU base mix feeds. Kumplito na po yan sa kailangan po ninyo para maging maganda ang karne ng manok, mas mataas ang survival rate at hindi po maamoy ang dumi. Yan kasi ang kinakita namin that how the Philippine native chicken can help the industry, this industry. Naalala ko kasi when we established this one together with my friend, Dr. Alexis de Manuel. Sir, magandang araw po sa inyo. During that time, before my PhD degree in Los Baños, we started this Philippine native chicken, yung group as a sharing platform. Magandang araw po sa inyo, sir. Yan ang ginamit namin, and then we keep on doing it na kung saan po the motives or the objective is to help. That is why that after the Dr. De Manuel set up that one na makalaang ilang taon, itinayo na namin yung Philippine native chicken na Facebook page para makatulong po sa inyo. Yung kasi ang isa, it is because na ang researches in the station, dapat malabas yan. And one way and how we can share you the technology is through this one. Na kung saan po a guidance Isa kasi sa even in the value chain analysis then, ang technical support is very critical for every racers that will be engaging in this kind of industry. Bakit po? Because you're investing your hard-earned money. Di ba? And that is why that yung problema nyo when it comes doon sa sabi mo pilibang sa tabi, it is because you don't have the talent on how to manage greater number or number of personnel. No, kahit ikaw lang isa, no, kahit kaunti. Try to follow the technology that we have, the CPU feeds that we are using, para at least mahaba pa rin yung cost nyo, hindi pa sa maamoy. And then try to use what they call the rice hull. Malaki po ang may tutulong po niyan, no, when it comes po sa pag-control ng langaw at saka yung amoy sa manukan po ninyo. And beside, pag na-decompose yan, isa yan sa pinakamagandang planting media, no, para sa ating mga plantito at plantita. The manure coming from the chicken, no, that is second to the bats when it comes po sa nutrient content, lalo na po sa nitrogen. It's just a matter of how we process it. Ang kagandahan po ng ng ating rice hull, it's used to improve the soil quality. Ibig sabihin po at Philippine Native Chicken, we are not only here to promote the technology for native chicken, but we also care for the environment. And that is one way and how Central Philippine University, through this College of Agriculture, Resources, Environmental Sciences, makatulong po sa atin. I am believing that the industry or the farming in the Philippines will become progressive. It's just a manner and the mindset that we have and how we can earn profit to what we're doing. For as long as we are doing business, yung ko bakit bang palagi sabi ko, even in my radio program, pwede bang, can we change the term farmer into what they call agripreneurs? And being agripreneurs, we are always looking, no, on the profit per se. But profit na kung saan po, no, hindi naman masobrahan. It can only make us na kung saan po mas maganda kasi pag yung tinatrabaho para sa sarili mo, no, and then you keep on doing it, no, tandaan po natin pag nag-retire po tayo sa mga weekend farmers dyan, sa mga FW dyan, ang level of expenses that we have po, no, hindi yan bumababa. Yung kung bakit pwede pa ma-extra income, no? And beside, pwede bang gawin natin that kahit na may climate change po, no, yung kung bakit makikita nyo the development that we have dito sa Philippine Native Chicken, no, is continuous process. Kung ang tanong dyan, sa mga tanong na pwede bang gamitin ang technology natin na mismo dyan sa tabi ng bahay nyo sa maraming tao, you can have it be done. Kung medyo doubt kayo, punta kayo dito sa Central Philippine University na hanapin po nyo, no, ang manukan dito sa loob at kayo na mismo makakita at saka magsabi kung ano naobserbahan nyo dito mismo sa loob ng aming research station. Para at least, for as long as you're using our technology, the housing design, the litter material that we're using, the feeds, and even what they call the phytobiotics or the phytomedicines, malaki pong matulong yan para na kung saan the product that you will be producing no matches with the requirement of the market. At the same time, it answered your need as a racer. So again, no, magandang araw. No, hope that the information that we are sharing in right now, no, makatulong po sa inyo. And if you think this information can be of help, no, at saka baka magkakaila po kayo dyan, na sa tingin po niyo makatulong po ang Philippine Native Chicken, don't hesitate to share this video and this page. No, sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe o nakapag-follow sa aming Facebook page and YouTube channel, please have it be done para pa at least every time na may mga programa ganito, no, the social media platform will immediately inform you para at least updated po kayo. No? Again, this is your host, Dr. Jaime C. Cabral Jr. na napampasalam po sa inyo. God bless and keep safe and see you naman, no, sa susunod nating episode ng programa dito po sa Philippine Native Chicken. Again, good day and God bless us all.
Hello Canada. Are you in dilemma of finding the feed specifically developed for your native chicken?
Are you searching for native chicken products free from antibiotics and synthetic growth-promoting compound? Is any member of your household allergic to delicacies prepared out of dressed broiler chickens?
The Philippine Native Chicken is introducing the Central Philippine University developed feed, the CPU feeds.
The CPU feed is enriched with phytobiotics proven effective in preventing and controlling infections among the native chickens. The phytobiotics are the extracts coming from the plants. It means that there are no ill effects among those who could eat the meat and eggs of chicken fed with it. Studies showed these plant extracts reduce the cholesterol and uric acid contents of the products.
So, what are you waiting for? You can visit us here at the Research and Development Building at CPU Campus, Jaro, Iloilo City. Or, you may contact the numbers on your screen for guidance.